Ready.
Alright. So now this is good. So first you clean the exterior, get all the dead skin, swab, human dead skin, dust mites, and then you put it in the bag.
Oh.
So when you put it in the bag, what you do is you grab the upholstery tool, pop it on there, watch the pillow. This is how you clean the inside. Stay on this. You can do this in your bed comforter, your bed pillows. Now watch the pillow. Look, check that out.
That is so cool.
It's like a rock. So it sucks all the staleness from the inside. Now here's the important part. You guys both got to remember, don't shut it off. If you shut it off right now, the pillow does this. It'll suck some water into the pillow. So don't shut it off. Just disconnect it. So what you do is right here, push down on it. That comes off, and then look. Put it on the reverse. And what that's doing is putting a clean aroma, but I'm going to put a drop of the aroma into the suction part. Now you're aromatizing your bed pillows, your comforters, your cushions, and then now you pump air into it.
And then does the
Makes it smell like orange, yeah.
And then it smells like orange once you're done.
Thanks, PJ.